If you are a writer and you have been looking for method to actually monetize your writing, and especially if you're from Africa, I have some good news for you, because this video you're gonna love it, because I have been doing my research and also experimenting in terms of actually maybe stuff that work when it comes to online money as a stay-at-home mom. And I want to tell you that this is one of the best news that I can share with you, because medium.com has just launched partnership with more other 77 countries worldwide. And you might be wondering, what is Medium? So Medium, it is a platform whereby writers, and I'm talking about writers, not AI writers. AI writers are not accepted on medium.com. Those people who are passionate about writing, others who are actually passionate about writing, they share a lot of their articles, a lot of their work on that platform. And it is one of the best way to actually monetize your writing skills and also sell your products if you have. And I have been using Medium for almost 7 months now, and I want to share with you some of the best updates that I have received, or maybe I have seen on that side, that led me to actually make this video, especially for my fellow Africans. You're gonna love this one. My fellow Kenyans, let me be specific. Now, my study, or maybe my journey of writing on Medium started, I think it is almost 8 months, 7 months, I'm not sure, because I was not super active, but I started 7 months ago. And even during that time, I was not actually making any money out of it, or anything from the writings that I was writing, apart from my products that I was selling, my digital product that I was selling. Now, recently, a few weeks ago, medium.com just launched partnership with more 77 countries, and it accepted the more countries into their partner program, because previously there were just a few countries, and in Africa, I think just a few that were accepted, not even a few, maybe all of them, I'm not sure, but just a few picks from here and there. Now, the best thing is that they have actually accepted for people to actually, writers who are willing to write, who are willing to partner with them to actually start showing their work, and they're gonna be paid. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly take my phone, because my laptop doesn't have a charge. I'm gonna quickly take my phone, and I'm gonna walk you through that articles for you to understand what I'm saying. This is the best news, especially if you're looking to make extra money as a side hustle. Maybe you are a stay-at-home mom like me, and you're thinking of actually, what can I do to increase my earnings in terms of online presence? Now, this is a best option. Now, however, I have to say that there are regulations, rules and regulation when it comes to writing on Medium. And also, we live in the world whereby AI has taken everything, so don't go and start spamming that platform with AI stuff, because they're gonna terminate your account. I'm speaking from experience. Okay, and also, for you to start earning, you must be a member, okay, a premium member, and also you must be having 100 followers. Okay, so it's gonna take some time, but if you start now, by next month you might be there. Okay, so let me share with you the good news that I'm talking about, and how you can monetize your writing on Medium and start earning money just like I have done. Let's dive in. So guys, this is my Medium account, and as you can see, Medium is a platform whereby writers normally come here to write their content, and you can learn from them. You can see a lot of stuff that are actually being written here, and it is just an amazing platform. Now, I want to show you something. I want to show you the article whereby Medium actually itself actually did what they actually announced about. So this is the post that actually Medium posted a few weeks ago, and they actually posted on 6th this month, August, and this is what it read. They said, we have added 77 countries to the Medium partner program, plus a $10 minimum. Details about your earnings included in your partner program dashboard, expanding the Boost nomination program. Now, This is the article. It reads that today is the day. Today is the day. We are excited to announce that we are expanding the Medium Partner Program to 77 new countries. Country expansion is the most requested change to the partner program, and we are thrilled to support writers from as many countries as possible to write and be rewarded on Medium. We have also made a few other updates and improvements to the program. Here are the headline changes. Now, this is the first changes they have made. We support 77 new countries, bringing us to a total of 119 countries. There will be a $10 USD minimum payout threshold. And also they say we are expanding to boost a nomination program to allow editors from these newly supported countries to join. We've also updated the partner program dashboard to share more details about your earnings. Okay, now the whole of this article you can find it on Medium page, and I just want to go through some of the countries that actually they are saying, to just show you what I'm speaking is true. So here's the full list of countries that are actually supported in the partner program. Now let's start. I'm going to start with the first one, which is Albania, Algeria, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belgium, Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brunei, Bulgaria, Cambodia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cote d'Ivoire, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Estonia, Ethiopia, Finland, France, Gabon, Gambia, Germany, Ghana, Gibraltar, Greece, Guatemala, Guyana, Hong Kong, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kuwait, Laos, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Macau, Madagascar, Malaysia, Malta, Mauritius, Mexico, Moldova, Monaco, Mongolia, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, North Macedonia, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Rwanda, St. Lucia, San Marino, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Tanzania, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. Okay, so in short, they are saying that almost all countries supported by Stripe are now supported with our latest expansion. And they go ahead and say that for you to actually review the rest of the partner program eligibility requirements, you can actually apply or maybe join the link they have given there, the link which I'm gonna click just to show you. Maybe okay, it won't bring me everything because I'm already a partner program. Okay, I've already eligibility. You are a member. Okay, you have published so this is the eligibility criteria. You must be a member, a partner program, and also you must have published a story in the last 6 months, and you are located in those countries that I have just mentioned. So if you are thinking to actually be on this platform, it is one of the best platforms that you can actually be as a writer, whether you are experienced or whether you are just starting up or whether you are whichever, but you have passion for writing, you can join this platform and start earning some money. In my next video, maybe I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much I'm making, because it has been just a few days since I actually joined the program, and I can see some coins, or maybe I can see some money on my account, and I'll be actually sharing with you how much did I make, maybe per article, or how did I join the program. Tell me in the comment section if you are using Medium to actually monetize your to write or stuff like that. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.